How to get million views on YouTube, very secret tips.
How to make a viral video, how to create a video that will go viral, how to get huge views, million views in a video.
If you gain a huge watch time in a video, YouTube will send your video to more and more locations and suggested results. So, a 2-minute or 3-minute long video can defeat a 10-minute or 12-minute long video in search result and suggested algorithm in ranking. With that, you have to know that you have to upload a video particularly using some particular trick. If you use this trick at the time of uploading, your video will definitely go viral. But before all this, you have to first make your thumbnail. Before recording or uploading the video, you have to first create your thumbnail. You have to make a thumbnail which will help your video to go viral. After that, you have to shorten the title. Write the title in 5 words. Write only 4 words in your thumbnail. Put and write all the keyword phrases in the description and write an essay. I have described you all of these tricks in my previous videos. So what you have to do here, you have to improve your audio quality. As I am speaking in this video, my audio quality is very high. You have to utilize your every effort to improve your audio quality to a top level. This will help your video to gain more and more watch times. So YouTube will push your video to more and more locations in search results and suggested results, and you will get a higher impression and you will win the click.
You have to make videos on trending topic that people are searching in a high volume. You have to search the Google and YouTube which topic are people searching in a high volume. So how to make million views on video in 10 seconds or 3 days. You have to make videos on contemporary topic. This was the basic secret trick to get million views on your YouTube channel. So what was the uploading trick? Always upload your video in a desktop version. Use these 3 dots and use this desktop site option and make that desktop site. If you are using desktop or PC, then this process is not for that. If you are using mobile, then use this desktop site option from these 3 dots in the upper right corner. But if you are using PC or laptop, then this is okay. Use this screen and make that like a PC. Now this is looking like a PC or desktop version. Use the upload video option. If you have mobile, use the Chrome browser, but do not use the YouTube app to upload your video. This will help largely to make your video go viral. You can get your video go viral if you use the desktop version in your mobile. Use this desktop version of video uploading. Click on select files. Click on the video you want to upload. This is uploading. How to make a viral video with tutorial. This is the title basic that I have said you before. Use only 5 to 6 words in the title. If possible, 5 words. Then go to the description. Here, use all the keyword phrases in the description and make a big essay. This was the basic. Use this playlist. Use this. No, it's not make for kids if it is not really. No, don't restrict my video to viewers over 18 only. Utilize all of this and click on next. Click on add and end screen. Utilize this. Click on add cards and then next. Make that public, or you can schedule that. Click on publish. So this was the basic to make a video go viral if you use the desktop version in mobile. Then upload the thumbnail. Do not forget to use the date. There is an option here. Click on show more. Use this recording date, like today is 27th July of. Do not forget to set the date before uploading and uncheck this allow embedding. All are set. Now click on save or publish. Now click on save.